Gotta get the gummy bears.
Sugar free?
Oh, God, no.
What's up, Saab?
Guess what I'm sleeping with tonight?
So we're here at Pittsburgh International Airport. We're ready to go. Flight's leaving in
Fuel rod.
Flight's leaving in 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Pretty hyped. We already got the Chick-fil-A. Got all the goods.
Yeah, we still gotta come to one of these things to go on it.
One of what?
You still need to come to one of these.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Antonio Brown's back there, getting traded from the Steelers.
Walking in while you're already sipping.
Classic.
You gotta get me water.
I really want any ends, like bad. Look at it. It looks so good.
Free! She said it was free!
Yeah. Do it.
Wait.
There once was a farm that became an app.
Here it is.
What's up, boys? Dude, that thing is sick.
I know, isn't it? We're gonna put Rod in the middle, because that's what he gets. That's what he gets for B22.
Clown. Yeah, J-Rod. J-Rod.
Alright, we've made it to Tampa.
Blitzball.
The Blitzball is still here. It's following us around.
Yep.
So let's see. We've got a turtle above the turtle. Made of turtles. Alright, we're about to get on the people mover. So I'm going to put the camera away until we get in the car. See ya. We just got to the house and Sava's doing some biking. Hey, what's up?
Come on in. The crib. Be soft.
Oh, hey, what's up?
What's up?
Alright, that's going to be it for this vlog.
Oh.
We're at the house.
Oh.
Oh. Playing COD.
Oh, what'd I do?
Did you click the share button?
Bro, I don't know. I'm not having a PlayStation.
Alright, well, we'll see you tomorrow for the games against Mighty Goat, M. Frisk, and the Bombers should be pretty good. Alright, see ya.